What's going on, everybody? My name's Mr. Alex. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about streaming as a whole, but we're going to be talking about a particular tool called Streamer.bot, and I'm going to give you a basic overview of what Streamer.bot. Jesus Christ, I cannot talk today. I'm going to give you a basic overview of what Streamer.bot can do, and then I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to say go and play with it, and then you can see what you can make out of it, and in the future I'll make some more specific videos on the actual software. But first, here's a quick message from this video sponsor. If you're thinking about becoming a YouTuber, or maybe you've been making content for a while, Tubebuddy can help you kickstart your journey. With powerful SEO tools to help you get more views and subscribers, bulk processing tools to help cut down on mundane tasks, as well as powerful tools to help you understand your YouTube analytics. Tubebuddy is a must-have addition for any YouTuber's tool belt. To access Tubebuddy's full range of features, including newly added Click Magnet, click the link in the description. In order to get started, you're going to need to go to Streamer.bot. You need to download it, you need to install it, and once you have it installed, you'll have something that looks a little like this. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do once you have installed Streamer.bot is you're going to need to connect it to Twitch. You can do that by either going to Settings and Twitch accounts, and then connecting your broadcaster account and then a separate account for the bot, or you can just press connect to Twitch down here. Once you have connected it, you can then start creating some actions. Now, an action is essentially a set of instructions that are going to run when certain conditions are met. These conditions could be when someone follows your Twitch, when someone subscribes, when someone chats for the very first time, or when someone enters a particular command. Now, you can also create actions based on channel point rewards. That is something that I really enjoy. So let's have a look at some of the channel point rewards that you can create. Now, you can get really creative with this. For example, I've made a TV static reward. All you do to create a reward, by the way, is you go into it, you add it, and then you just make the title, you say how much it costs, set the background, blah blah blah, and then you add an action here, and that action is what's going to be triggered when that is redeemed. So let's have a look at TV static. TV static is a pretty good one to have a look at first. All it's doing essentially is it's going to OBS, and the way you connect OBS, by the way, is you need to go to OBS up here, and you need to add your OBS connection. If you don't have WebSocket installed, which is the WebSocket here for OBS, then you can go to obsproject.org. Just go into resources and type, or go into Google and go into OBS WebSocket plugin, download it, install it, and then that will work absolutely fine. And then that essentially makes it so Streamer.bot can link with OBS and control it from the software. But essentially what it's doing is it's saying OBS source filter state. So we can go to add action, go to OBS, and we can set OBS source filter state, which is this one. And I'm saying I'm going to add the color correction. I'm going to then add the scan lines. I'm then going to add the VHS filter. And all these are, we don't want to close that. All these are, if we go into my webcam scene, are filters that I've applied on my video capture device. And literally all it's doing is it's going to go in, it's going to add, it's going to make that visible, it's going to make that visible, it's going to make that visible. It's then going to delay for 10 seconds, so 10,000 milliseconds, and then it's going to turn it all off, all at the same time. It's not going to be as slow as when I do it. It's going to do it very, very quickly. So if we quickly go to TV static, we'll redeem it. It does it like that, and then 10 seconds later, it's going to turn itself off. And it's just a really fun way of adding that little bit of extra spark to your stream, because you can make some things that are really, really cool. And the basic logic behind it is all you're doing is you set up the work beforehand with, in this case, you add some filters to make it do certain things. And if if you're really good with OBS and you know how to use the move plugin, etc., you can make it move around, you can make it rotate, you can do 3D transforms, you can do whatever you want. And then all you do is you make that into an action. But that's all I want to talk about today, is just a quick overview of what Streamer.bot can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to create more streaming content in the future. You can also check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/MrRelics, where I'll stream about 3 times a week, and we'll have some fun playing some games, doing things like this, and you can just hang out and see what we're doing. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.